All right, guys, here in front of you is my Dixie Narco Pepsi Generation Series 2 vending machine. The model number on this vending machine is 501R. All right, this particular one is a side-by-side vending machine. It just means that the selections are side-by-side. You have a side-by-side and you have a inline selection. Inline just means that the selections go straight down. Today's video is going to be on resettable data. This selection shows the user the vending account data, such as total cash collected, total number of VINs, and total number of VINs by selection. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open the machine and locate the system control board, which is right at the top. You want to press the selection System Setup Audit. You will then see the letters HD displayed on the front of the unit. This is a side-by-side selection vending machine. To know the number ordering for the selections, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in case you need to know which selections are being vended the most. Press and hold selections 1 and 2 at the same time until you see RD displayed on the front of the unit. Now stop. Selection 1 shows you total cash collected, $168.50. Selection 2 shows you total VINs, 167 VINs. Selection 3 shows you total VINs per selection. 26 for 1, 17 for 2, 62 for 3, 17 for 4, 11 for 5, 6 for 6, 5 for 7, 23 for 8. All right, so I'm going to show you how to reset the resettable data to 0. So if you got a new machine and you need to know how much is being vended per selection, or the total VIN, or the total cash collected, but you want to set it to 0 first. While the machine is still displaying RD, you're going to press and hold selection 4 for 5 seconds. There you go. Counters reset. That's it. Everything's set to 0. That's all you got to do. So if I press selection 1, it says 0. Selection 2, 0. Selection 3, it should go through everything, and everything should be 0. All right, guys. So that's how to check the resettable data and how to zero out the resettable data. This is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out. All right, guys. If you like this video and would like to see other videos like this, join our community, follow us, and subscribe. J.O.A.T.D, Jack of all trades Dre, fixing a handful of life's numerous problems, one video at a time.